Christmas, guys. Good morning. Gising na yung mga bata. Si Jen. Nandun na siya sa kwarto ng mga bata. Merry Christmas! Tignan natin yung reaction ng mga bata. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Kuya, you're in your...
Yeah, no, I'm wearing your shorts.
Oh, Baba, how about you? What Father Christmas got you? Wow. Which one is your sack?
Mine's a red one.
Alright. Ay, si Kuya. Nag-short lang si Kuya.
Mama!
Oh, is that for me? Oh, thank you.
Which one's
Oh.
like just one present, but it's always a good one.
Yeah.
Oh.
Last year,
Do you reckon you can handle that, boy?
last year we got nothing except that one bag. No?
Yeah, you got from Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah, that. But... What?
I reckon that's not a bit so.
Oh. Did Father Christmas eat it all?
Can you get your feet in those first?
Ayan yung ano ni Father Christmas. And may panote si Father Christmas dito. No, that's for later, Baba.
Hang on, but is that good?
He got me this.
Father Christmas. What do you think of that, Kuya and Zach?
Good, good.
Huh?
Well, good.
These would be better catching waves because they're longer, so you won't go.
Oh, that's not your sock.
Oh,
Jan, that's...
here, here's a look.
What's my name?
Yeah, that's it. Both open up. Both open up.
What's that? What is it there?
That's from Mom and Daddy.
No, this is a dripping one.
There's both is.
For both of you.
Is it both one?
You gotta get
Oh,
to
yeah, I get it now. It's like one of those.
Just a round thing. Bubba, let's go see if you can ride it, my girl. You reckon? Hop on it.
Alright, I'm hopping on.
It's got you.
Thank you.
Yeah, hop on it. There, you.
Thank you. Thank you for
This
Christmas.
big, bub.
Thank you, Father
Yeah, put that
Christmas.
seat down a bit, bub.
Oh, it's a bit high.
Is that Holly's present?
No, that's for Pa and Uncle Jay's.
Bubba, won't you?
Oh, can I open one? Merry Christmas. Here, Daddy, Jack, and
Put your feet in there too. You'll put it first or second.
each other.
We always be good to each other.
That's for later, love.
Is that one? Yeah, probably. Nah, probably that one, is it?
Wow, lucky. Where's mine, babe?
Mom, I already gave you one.
Oh, yeah. I haven't opened it yet. It's Holly. Ito yung bigay sa akin ni Holly. Oh, thank you. 2022 Holly.
Good, Bubby. Oh.
Oh.
The whole family.
Oh, the whole family. Thank you, Daddy. Oh.
Daddy, this is yours.
That's for later, Kuya.
How do you put it like
That's you, that's mine, that's me, that's the baby.
Tuloy ko na yung pagluluto. 8:45. Si-on ko to. Mag-roast lang pa pala tayo. Roast lamb and then, at saka roast beef. I-on na yan. Pala yung ating shrimp. And eto, linabas ko to kagabi. Wow, madaling araw. Ayan yung ating roast lamb and then roast beef. Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ayan, naka-business siya. So, yeah, ayan, niluluto na natin yung ating, kinukontinue lang yung pagluto ng ating kaldereta. And eto, yan, binabad lang natin yan. So, ngayon natin yan luluto. So, magagawa na ako ng wrap para dito sa aking roast lamb and roast beef. So, diba? Kasi oven ko pala yan. Nakalimutan ni dyan bumili ng uling. Kasi meron sana sa labas. Pero yan sa kasi walang uling si dyan. Okay. Luto-luto muna ako dito, guys. Nagva-vacuum na siya. Nakalinis na siya sa labas. Dito naman siya maglilinis sa loob. Kasi ako ang nakatoka sa kusina. Diba? Tulungan lang yan. Si Holly, nag-breakfast na si Holly. Fruit Loops. Ayan. Yung mga boys, yung mga bat, andun sa labas. Hindi ko na-vlog si Holly. Nag-ride na siya ng bike kanina. Ayan si John, busy. I need a bag hand. Oh, honey. Kaldereta, kailangan siyang halu-haluin talaga. Huwag siyang iiwan.
1 or 2?
2. Hindi siya pwedeng iiwan kasi masusunog yung ilalim. Pinarab ko na lang. Okay. Come on, Gab. Bag, please. Oh, that's it. Drop it.
A couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, ooh, closer than before. And no one knows, ooh, that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to.
So, ayan na pala yung ating caldereta. Nilagyan ko ulit siya ng cheese sa ibabaw. Kanina, nung niluluto ko siya, yung malapit na siyang lumambot, naglagay na ako ng cheese. Kaya super cheesy itong caldereta natin. Si Saksha kasi dyan, nandun sila nagmumotor. So, takpan ko lang ito ng foil para mainit pa siya mamaya. Hopefully. Okay. So, ilagay ko na ito dun sa table natin. Then, ipiprituin ko pala yung adobo, tapos ito na yung next, yung spring roll. Ayan, piniprito ko na pala yung ating adobo. Linagyan ko siya ng white onions. Ay! Hala, nagpuputukan na, hindi pa New Year. And ayan, meron pa dyan. And nagpapatugtog na tayong Christmas song sa YouTube para ma-feel na natin talagang Christmas na today. Merry Christmas, guys. Ay! Okay, mamaya na lang. Nagli-lipstick na siya. So, ito na yung second batch na piniprito ko, guys. Grabe siyang pumutok. Si Jan, naputukan siya pagpasok niya. Sa legs niya talaga. Ang sakit daw. Ayun, naliligo na siya. And yung prawns. Wow! So guwapo! How's your legs, Han? From the adobo? Ayan, naputukan talaga. Pagpasok niya, talagang parang fireworks. Anyway, eto na yung ating prawns. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng lemon. Medyo ano pa siya, frozen ng konti. So, tama-tama. Pagdating ng bisita natin, ready na siyang kainin. So, maghiwa pa ako ng lemon. Ayan na yung prawns natin. And dito ko ilalagay yung Thousand Island. Dito sa bowl na yan, ha? Para siyang clay pot. And pipitas tayo ng... Daan tayo sa adobo. Pitas tayo ng parsley para pang garnish doon. So, ayan na yung adobo, na prito na natin siya. And yung sauce niya, ayan yung sauce. And tinanggal ko yung oil. Ayan, ang dami kong natanggal na oil. Tingnan nyo yung ating pork belly fat. Oh my goodness. Tinanggal ko na yan. So, eto na lang ilalagay ko doon sa ibabaw ng ating adobo. Eto na pala yung adobo, guys. Pinalibutan ko siya ng prinitong saba kagabi. Ayan siya. And naglagay tayong parsley. Nagpitas ako doon sa aking garden. Doon sa kusina. And white onion. So, ayun. Ang ganda niya para sa akin. Ako lang naman. Nagaganda lang ako sa aking artwork. Wow, artwork. So far, ayan na yung ating table. Hindi pa yan tapos. Kasi magluluto pa ako ng spring rolls. Tapos, siwain ko pa yung roast natin pag naluto yun. Naglilik yung aking ano. Hala. Yung ating kaldereta. Bakit kaya? Punasan ko muna yan. So, okay. Pero, ayan, gandang-ganda ako sa aking adobo. Pa-plating ko dyan sa adobo. Yung aking mag-aama ayon. Hinihintay nila ang bisita natin. Okay, kuya. Turn it on again. Kasi baka makapiright ako sa Christmas song. Tada! Update! Dumating yung mga bisita ko. Nagbibihis ako. Andito na sila. Si Uncle Jace, pinick up niya lang yung kapatid niya. Andito na si Auntie Mel, si Mom, and ito dala ni Auntie Mel. Wow! Auntie Mel! Tingnan, may dalang dessert si Auntie Mel. Picnic in the woods. And si Mom may dalang oyster. Linagay muna namin sa fridge. Kasi, kailangan niya malamig. And, may lip tattoo tayo. Say, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Andito na yung spaghetti.
Apologize.
Oh, yeah, no,
Dala
I
ni
said, I left the
Dad.
and everything, and I said,
At saka ni Mom, ito, yan.
They had,
So, yan. Yung roast lamb na lang, tsaka roast beef. Ang hinihintay, andito sila.
Gary was out there.
Yung spring roll natin, muntik nang maubos to, guys. Kain sila ng kain. Si Dad nakarami na nito.
And I thought, oh, that's 35
Si Mom natawa. Kasi nakarami talaga si Dad niyan. Akala ko wala na eh. Pero yan. Ang dami natin pagkain. Ang ganda ng dessert. Ayan ang daming. Iba-iba. May passion fruit, may chocolate mousse. Ayan, strawberries, raspberries. Ayan.
over there, John.
Kaya hindi tayo gumawa ng chocolate cake kasi nga magdadala siya ng ganito. Kaya ang ginawa lang natin ay yung custard cake. Kasi sinabihan niya magdadala siyang dessert. So, ayan. So, ito yung oyster, guys. Mayroon tayo yung 2 dosena to. Ayan. Gupit na lang, ma'am. Gunting. Ayan po. Ayan. Okay. So, dito ko siya ipi-plating. So, eto na yung ating oysters. Nilagyan ni Dad ng ice para fresh talaga siya. Tapos, naglagay ako ng lemons. Ilalagay ko na to dun sa table. Eto na pala yung roast beef, yung roast lamb. Binali ko kasi malaki yun. Hindi pa siya masyadong soft. Luto. Hindi pa ganun kaluto. So, eto muna hiwain. So, eto na yung ating roast beef. Idagdag na natin to dito sa ating table. Kuya, can you move the spring rolls, please? Move there. That way. Yeah, thank you. So, yun na guys, yung food. Meron pa doon yung lamb.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the...
Nandito na si Uncle Jace, guys. Tanggalin ko na yung ating may lip tattoo pa tayo. Yung na lang, yung roast lamb na lang talagang hindi pa natin masiserve kasi hindi pa siya luto. Ano yan? Itatanggalin ko yan dyan, ma'am. Okay, wait lang. And yung ating gravy. Lalabas ko rin pala yung ating
That was Tom Pierce.
salad. Ating macaroni salad. Yung fruit salad, mamaya na lang yun. Dito yung laptop ni Ma'am.
Used to be called
Okay, we can eat now.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, eat!
hungry.
Yeah, sabi gutom na sila ngayon na pwede nang kumain. You can eat now. And ayan yung sauce para sa ating shrimp. Ayan na. Sikuhaan na sila ng food. That's for Dad, for spring rolls. This is the sauce for the shrimp.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so to get over. You chose someone else, a new best friend. It doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were headed.
You're done? Wow. Tapos na siya. Tapos na si Zach. Ayan. Ayan yung ano mama, pork yan. Okay ka dyan. Ayan, kaldereta. Tapos na silang kumuha. Ayun na sila sa labas. Gusto ko yung oysters. Wow, nice weather. Oo, kain na ako. After inyo.
Ako, ang sarap nito kasi alam mo, gusto ko yung adobo ng taba.
Oo. Ayaw mo yung may sabaw. Ako, ayaw ko yung may sabaw. Gusto ko yung tuyo ba? Tuyo. Ano yun? What? Yeah, where's your plate?
You're beating because there was sauce all over it.
Oh, second round na si Kuya. What do you need, Dad?
You got pepper?
Yeah, I do. Salt and pepper? Huy! What? Ah, kasi ayaw niya yung vegetables. So, pinipili lang ni Kuya.
Next time you're gonna make
Si Kuya, ang gustong-gusto niyang fried rice yung akin kasi garlic lang yun. Si Sak naman, yung gusto niya rin yung akin pag gumagawa ko nito. Kaso si Kuya, mas gusto niya walang veggies. And ako din, mas gusto ko rin walang veggies. So, lagi kong ginagawa ay fried rice na garlic sa amin ni Kuya. So, si Sak, ang kinain niya lang ay fried rice tsaka spring rolls. Pero kanina pa siya pick ng pick. Kaya ayun, nabusog na siya. Okay, try ko na to guys. Kumuha tayo ng salt. Ayan na guys. Ayan yung ating fresh na oyster. So, lagyan natin ito. Wala akong Tabasco. Tapos, masarap din dito yung suka. Okay, gusto ko maraming salt. Okay. Ayan siya guys. Yum.
do you know you have a Roxy bite?
This is good, Dad.
They're good, aren't they?
Really good.
What are you there talking?
Sarap-sarap, guys, ng fresh. Masarap nito, may Tabasco. Damihan mo lang ng lemon.
I don't know what.
What, some bag?
Prawns.
No, this one.
You don't have any prawns?
Round 2.
Looks like we're going to have lots of
What?
food left over. You can give some mum that make it
Yeah.
roast and all that.
Oh, sarap. Sige, kain na ako. Sige, nakadalawa ng balik. Dami nating food. Kain na din tayo. Nice. Ayaw me to. Hinihintay niya pala ako kasi balatan ko siya ng prawns. This one ko.
Yeah.
Very fresh. Ano si Dad?
Got one
Nakakuha.
quick one, mate. Brush up,
Kaninang
mate.
umaga. Here, honey, wait here. Where's your, drink? Hinihintay niya ako kasi ako magbabalat ng kanyang prawns. There's Coke there, honey.
Yeah, I think.
Ang nice na
You want one?
weather.
Have you got one? No, you got one.
How many you want, babe?
3.
Wow. Wow. Ang lalaki. Kita niyo? Wala, yung plato ko naging lalagyan lang siya. Nagra-ride si Holly ng bike. Is she done eating?
She had a lot of spaghetti.
Oh. Did you have spaghetti, Dad?
No, I've got enough here.
Dami kasi kinuha yung caldereta and then roast beef. Okay, this is your second.
Banana.
No, there's no banana in caldereta. Good. Na?
There's no way you're gonna have tea after this.
Too many. You still have what you call that? Dessert time after.
Yeah.
Here, honey.
No, that's all right. I can't dip them all in, can I?
Ang akin ay ano na. Gusto ko adobo. Okay? Tapon ko lang yung shell. Sa dami, hindi ko alam kung anong uunahin. I don't know which one to pick, babe.
Mark,
I don't know which one I'm gonna pick.
what are you doing with that?
What do you want, Dad? Prawns? Ah, I got more. Here. I think John put it there. No. Here. Here, Dad. Huh? Kain guys, kain. Merry Christmas. Itong adobo talagang aking uupuan. Ang kaldereta kasi, lagi naman natin yan nakakain. Tingin pa tayong konti. Kunti lang. Nagpansit din pala si Ma'am. Mamaya lang mag-seafood. Mamaya tayo mag-seafood. Pero kumain tayong oysters. Ayan na guys. Isa labas tayo kakain. Real food. Si Dad, mag-isa lang dito si Dad. So dito tayo kakain. Yung mga bata tapos na, andun na sila sa ano. Siniset up na nila yung kanilang improvised na sleeping slide. And yung pool. Ah, you got another one? Who gave you that? Auntie Mel, hindi ko ito nakita. Ah, twister. Oh, did you say thank you to Auntie Mel?
Yes.
Oh yeah, meron silang ano, twister. Yeah, be careful with that one. And yung pool nila, ayan na.
Oh, sorry.
Where's Zach? Ayan. Di ba? Get, put some, sunscreen ha. Sunscreen, please.
Sorry, get some.
Yeah, sunscreen. Okay, kain muna ako. Tapos sabi ko, hindi kayo mag-round 2. Sabi niya, oo daw, round 3 pa daw nga daw eh. Pahinga-hinga lang muna sila. So, kain tayo. Malapit sa Telstra, ma. May bagong
Yeah,
bukas.
near the Telstra shop.
Oh, may ba? Ay, ano
Between the
siya?
Telstra shop and the post office.
Madilim. Oh, malapit. Katabi lang talaga siya, ma'am.
There seems to be lots of people going there.
Yeah. May bagong Asian store eh. Malapit sa kung saan si Holly nagda-dancing. Gusto ni Jess yung adobo. Holly loves the fat.
Yeah, that's the best part.
Oh.
I don't like
Gusto nila yung the best, but it's so Holly call it jelly. Mom, do you have more jellies? Like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Wobbly, yun ang tawag yung dalawa. Yeah. Tapos ka na, ma'am? Dalawa kong oysters. Mamaya, babalik ako.
Where's Brad going?
To Neil's family.
What? Close that. Yeah, close.
Yeah.
Put his pants up.
Is this yours, huh?
Kate, we need to go back to the SeaWorld. Because that big roller coaster's open now.
Yeah, and then it was open, then they went in there and got closed down.
Yeah.
Why?
All these people went there to try it out and it was closed down.
There, that big wooden one.
No, they're whinging.
No,
They
that
want their
was-
money back.
Which one?
Oh.
The wooden one.
That's why they went there for that.
Yeah. To the opening of this new one and they closed
I need to
it.
get changed.
You didn't go in that one, right?
Oh, it's
The
getting
one,
built.
yeah. May bago kasi hindi namin yun napuntahan. Hindi nyo pa
There was
napanood
hardly
yun.
any rides
Yung
open there.
there. Yung, di pa tapos yung ating guys, caravan vlog.
Apart from the jet
Exciting
ski
yung
one.
nasa kami, nasa
I don't know how
Queensland.
many times we went on that.
Oh.
Felt like we just got off and we're getting back
Oh,
on.
yeah.
What one?
That jet ski one, remember? We're just totally getting off and lining back up.
Must have been good. wasn't
After
it?
ng, ano, etong Christmas, New Year, i-upload ko ulit yun.
Oh,
Kasi
right.
sayang.
Like jet scene.
You should try this. Did you try this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
okay.
she gets going pretty quick.
Pretty good.
It's
Yeah.
like a nothing.
Takes off
Was it
like
good,
shit.
Chona?
Wow.
Hit that
That's
first
right.
corner.
Mine is worse, that part where I was
The
sitting.
inside was the best one, I reckon.
Yeah.
Down there.
Yeah. How many times
That
you
was
went,
one-
Uncle Jay?
That was one thing.
How many times you went?
John,
On
he
that
liked
one?
that one.
Oh,
The
I reckon
jet
I
ski?
went on there 3 or 4 times too.
I get more just.
Say for dessert, Mom, we have fruit salad.
No, was it
Dad,
good?
we're using two I'm using that one and that one.
Why?
Cause
Poor Joe's just carried the bags.
I don't know.
Didn't you, Jay?
Well, I wasn't going on the Superman.
Second, I
Ayan.
saw my guts was up in his
Sas-
head when I got the top of that friggin'
Pinag-usapan nila yung ano, yung experience ni dyan sa ano, sa ano ba, sa mga rides sa Queensland.
I don't know how.
Ayan.
I was like,
Ayan.
my bad.
what, you know, like the,
Can you scrub it?
Okay. Go, Holly, scrub. Rub it, rub, please.
No, nothing. You just pay for a ticket.
Put one on that.
And you get unlimited rides.
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
Your face, Baba, Hasak, your face, your neck, and then your ears. Ay, sorry, sorry. Come here.
Well, I got ours through the OAA, so we could have been.
Your face, your face.
I had
Close your
a
eyes.
3-day pass
Here, put it here.
for all the parks.
Rub, please. Ayan na yung second round ni Uncle Jace, oh.
Second.
Yes. You like the adobo? Hala, kinain niyo yung taba. You're eating the fat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't you eat that?
I don't eat. And I can't swallow it. Yung kapatid niya, si Shannon, pumuha din siya. Yung mga bata nag-enjoy na dun sa labas. Si Sako. Sayang hindi natin nakunan. Go, Sak! Tumakbo si Sak. Tapos nag-slide ba siya na nakatayo. Tapos nag-jump siya sa pool. Go, Sak!
Zach, do it again.
Do it again, Sak! Wait. Let Zachary do first. Oh! You have to fix your sleeping slide.
No, we're going to slide.
Yeah, make it flat. Enjoy sila. Buti na lang yan ay mabili nating pool. Kasi yan yung pinakamalaking pool na nabili namin. Kasi pang ilang pool na namin nabili yan. Pero hindi ganyan pala. Square yun yung dito namin lagi linalagay. Nakita nyo na yun sa mga ibang vlogs. Pero yan maganda kasi medyo malalim. Hindi pa tayo tapos kumain. Mga taba na to. Hindi ko siya kayang kainin. Pero yung mga ano ko, sila JC, Melissa, kinakain nila. Best part daw. Sabi ko kay Uncle James, magstay ka ba dito 2 days? Kasi tingnan mo yung beer niya, guys.
Oh, and Dad got
Isang-
beer in there.
Dala nila yan. Uncle James, show me.
San Miguel.
Okay, San Miguel.
Dad, that's what Brad was
There's
drinking
no
in
San
Bali.
Miguel. In Bali,
Well,
nagbali pala si Brad for 1 week. Kararating lang nila kahapon.
I just noticed.
Kahapon.
oh yeah.
Ayan, beer na sila. Ayan, stay ka dyan. Ang cute ng mag-asawa, oh. Pareho sila, pareho naka-blue. Nice. Second round. And yung rose lamb, linabas ko na kasi luto na siya. Si Holly nagpapahinga muna siya. Napagod din siya kakaswim. Kakatakbo yung dalawang bus, nandun pa din. Okay, kain.
Christmas, the worst
Okay,
song
ito
ever,
linagyan
although,
natin itong lemon, guys.
Lucky I got Nathan Roach.
Ang lamig.
You know Nate from
okay.
across the road. He used to live across the road from
Oh,
us.
yeah.
Yeah, he works at a jar, but he,
But he's qualified plumber.
Oh, okay. Good young fella, too.
yeah.
Yeah, he is.
So he lucky I had him as
He's
well.
right into his shooting now on Bushan, so
Yeah,
Oh, right.
yeah.
So what's he
Well,
going
back to
probably
Bali
lined
for?
up in what they'll do with their
He's gone back with Cal.
well, he's told me I didn't realise
They
he'd
got
go
these
over in
Black
Victoria.
Friday sale
You pay
tickets.
so much and there's
Cool.
you can shoot on
Brad and
national
Cal.
Brad's going back to Bali.
Yeah.
When?
30th of January.
For how long?
I was stalking deer, but he's seen
So
one.
Brad must love it
Tell
there.
you what I was told the other day, and I forgot all about it.
What?
I said, you've only got one reversal light. I said, you already know. And I twigged.
Si Brad,
Cal had a look online, but they're out of stock.
kababalik lang ni Brad sa galing Bali.
How I said Cal had like that one that signed up, but yeah, the one he got was out of stock, so we was trying to find something else.
Keep him onto it because I bloody definitely want it.
Si Brad, kababalik niya lang galing Bali. Ngayon, sa January 3 daw, babalik ulit si Brad for 5 days.
He's got to do, Jason.
Sana all.
He's got people.
He's got to do Jason's UHF too.
Your car, Baba.
I'll tell him to get on
Yeah.
it.
Guys, kanina pa ako tapos kumain. Hindi ko na naubos. Pero puro taba na to. Ano na?
To keep each
2:40 na. Magdi-dessert na sila. Ilalabas na ni Auntie Mel yung pavlova. And si Sak naglaro na siya naglaro. Nagmotor na siya nagmotor kanina. Hindi tayo nakapag-vlog kasi nag-usap-usap lang kami dito. Oo. Ang dami pa natin pagkain. Parang hindi nabawasan. Busog na busog ang mga tao. Amoy ano talaga dito? Amoy handaan. Dito, ma'am, mas malaki dito ang space. Ilagay lang ni ma'am yung lobster. And eto okay lang to dito, ma'am, kasi konti na lang. Malamig naman. Yan pa yung oysters. And even, ma'am, eto din. Ipatong ko na lang dyan.
Isama?
Oo. Kasi sayang. Ayan, may custard cake. At saka may fruit salad. Yun naman ang ilabas natin. Para, diba, ang dami pa nating food. Yung lobster na yun, ay, papak yan. Masarap yan. Diba? Okay, ma'am. Ito, ilagay ko rin to sa fridge. Tingnan nyo, ang dami nating spaghetti. Pwede na to hanggang New Year. You jump, Auntie Mel. Ginulat siya niya. Yung nag-toilet siya, ginulat siya. Ayan na yung pavlova. Mini pavlova. Eto, natikman to ni Auntie Mel nung nag-attend siya nung wedding. Kaya, umorder siya dito sa Picnic in the Woods. Ayan. Mount Gambier. Kaya, meron tayong ganyan. But you're gonna have pavlova first.
Timpa!
Tim Tam. May Tim Tam din kasi. Si Auntie Mel ang nakatoka sa dessert ng mga bata. Si ma'am, tinulungan niya na ako. Siya na yung nagbalot. Kasi lagay na sa fridge. Kasi baka masayang. Pinaghirapan natin yan. Pinagpuyatan. Ayan. Alam, may buo pa tayong roast. Ano doon? Yung lamb.
Sa maliit na plato.
Sa maliit. Okay. Meron pa? Yeah. Okay. Ano to? Basura to, ma'am? Hindi. Hindi. Ito. May 8 pieces pa tayo, guys. 2 dosen na to, diba? Sak your clothes, Sak! Mangga pa naman yan. Dessert time na, guys. Ayan yung fruit salad, leche flan, and custard cake. Yung mga bata. Yung mga bata, nandito sila. Ayan yung iba pang dessert.
Cheesecake.
Oh, yeah. You don't want it? What do you mean doesn't smell right? Yeah, I smell chocolate.
That goes right, Mom.
Nice. Ayaw ni Kuya. Ayan yung pavlova.
He's in there. He's worse than the kid.
I think that is a kid. Nangunguna pa si Dad sa mga bata. Just check, babe.
You go out Caston Road. It's probably actually
Ang cute. Ang ganda ng dessert, oh. Kukuha ko. I think I'm gonna have the chocolate one.
I think I'm gonna have the blueberry one with raspberry.
Do you want me to get you custard cake, Dad? Custard cake?
Yeah, I'm having
Yeah, leche flan. There's another one, leche flan with cake, Auntie Mel. There's leche flan all alone or with the cake. We have 2 kinds of leche flan there. Pero sila, ayun, no? Make your own pavlova. Huh? Look at that. Ayan, let me see yours, Holly. Ayan.
Put more ice.
mine. Look.
Oh.
What do you have?
Fruit salad. Try this one, ha? The chocolate mousse.
Zach, you need to get money back in one. Look at this.
Look at Dad.
Oh,
Oh.
I thought Dad had like.
My God, Holly, that's too much. Dalhin natin yung custard cake dun kasi gusto ni Dad. Pati yung leche flan. Kuya, open the door, yeah? So, vlog pa more. Close it, the fly. I have another one to get.
Yeah, it took me time making it run off. But,
Salad.
yeah, and upset
Yeah.
that one.
Yung fruit salad din, labas ko.
Blame. All the way there, Mum.
Yeah. This one's tribal.
Ito.
That's just
One of
chocolate.
those cup ones like Mel.
Oh,
Good.
well, not bad. They only give you half a bloody Tim Jam.
Oh.
Good.
You never done any work, he's out on,
Oh. Sino may gusto?
Nila, say you want cake?
No, not the cake one. Well, we're on rations. Good size. We're on rations.
Where's your Auntie
I
Mel?
didn't have a bowl.
Ah, here.
See, I go to Max Mark, the only one I know.
My rations for it.
Go down to Capri, road.
Just give it a whole bowl.
He's saving it,
Are you saving it?
No. Naubos na nila yung isang plastic na ganitong pavlova. Ayan, may putol kasi ito. Ayaw nila. So, ayan, magbukas ulit sila ng mini. Nabibili yan sa Kohl's. Yung mini pavlova. Si Jana gusto niya yung ano, Tim Tam. It's good? What do you want? Here. I'm just gonna put that on. To your plate kasi nagtitipid tayo. Cost cutting tayo. What do you want more here? Leche flan? Are you ready for your Santimel? Maliit kasi ito eh. Here, babe. Naubos na pala ni Auntie Mel. Akala ko magsisimula pa lang siya. Han, ha?
Oh, yeah, we know who.
Leche flan, you want with the cake or this one?
Just a little bit of that, just a bit sweet for me.
Okay.
That's my bowl.
This is for Dad.
Lito's business, he makes me two when I go there.
Yeah. Try this one, Dad. A little bit of this. Dad, with the cake.
Nice.
Remember, I had a little,
Where you get this?
Yeah.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you